debris.
Papa's fixing to cut a hole in the pipe so he can weld the hinges to the pipe. I thought we just screwed them in the holes down there under with a bolt.
These aren't that kind.
We have that kind.
Yeah, no.
But they're way, way long. They're not big enough either, I don't think. Look at Max. Hey, Max. Max! There's the Maxter. Wonder where Peaches is. Hi, baby. Let's go play the Moo Cow Minute. Let's go play the Moo Cow Minute. Look at the Moo Cow. Look at the Moo Cow. Look, he's sucking Mimi's finger. Look. Says that ain't nothing. Come on. Look at the Moo Cows. Max, be good. We've got a lot of clearing done. Got a lot more to do, but we got a lot done. Look over there. Look at Papa. Can Mimi help, Papa?